Is your credit getting in the way of achieving your goals? Don't let it hold you back any longer. Credit Repair Chicago is here to help. As the top credit repair specialists in the area, we understand the significance of having a strong credit rating. Our mission is simple: to provide you with personalized solutions that will improve your credit score quickly and cost-effectively. With our experienced professionals by your side, you will soon be able to unlock the doors of financial success. We specialize in everything from dispute resolution and negotiation with creditors, to credit coaching and education, debt settlement, and re-establishing credit. Our tailored approach allows us to focus on the most impactful aspects influencing your overall rating, leading to quicker improvement and more significant enhancements in your financial standing. Our credit repair experts are fully equipped to help you understand your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, as well as other relevant legislation. We provide comprehensive credit coaching programs that will equip you with essential financial management skills such as budgeting, saving, and investing. We also specialize in debt settlement, giving you the ability to take control of your finances and improve your credit score over time. Our team can help you re-establish credit, offering both expert guidance and access to reputable lenders who are more likely to approve customers with bad or low scores. When it comes to credit repair, time is of the essence, and that's exactly what you'll get with us at Credit Repair Chicago. Our experienced professionals are here to expedite results for our clients, using powerful resources and tools to streamline the process. So why choose Credit Repair Chicago? We are experienced and trusted, offering personalized credit repair services at competitive prices. Our success rate speaks for itself, as we have helped countless individuals improve their credit scores and get back on the path to financial freedom. Take control of your financial future today and schedule a free consultation with us. Our team will work with you to develop a customized plan to meet your needs while staying within your budget. Get in touch today to start your journey toward a better credit score. Click on the link in the description below to get started now. It's free to sign up. Our prices are very affordable. With our service, you won't go broke repairing your credit. Click the link below.